don't second guess, we live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, I'm getting older but I still can't read a vibe, cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time. Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to deal. Cause I just need to see what the hell is supposed to mean, so I can make it better, make it real. That's just how I feel.
Hey guys, it's me, Sharagina, and for today's vlog guys, we're here at Siargao. Time check guys, it's 8 in the morning. Ang sinakyan pala naming airlines is Sunlight Air. This is actually our first time na sumakay sa Sunlight. By the way, ang accommodation namin guys is the Romantic Beach Villas. So, located to guys sa General Luna if I'm not mistaken. So, ang plan kasi namin is magrerenta kami ng mga motor para at least yun na yung mode of transportation namin dito sa Siargao guys. So, yeah. Samahan nyo kami guys sa aming trip. Bye! Ito na sila guys. Nakahanap na ba kayo ng motor?
Ayun, meron akong kausap, Fazio. 400 per day. Tinatanong ko how much siya for 2 days. Malay mo may discount.
So, yun na nga guys. Ang final namin na napag-desisyonan ay kumuha kami ng dalawang Fazio guys for 3 days and 2 motors yun guys for 400 pesos each guys. So, ang total namin ay 2,400 for 2 motors na 3 araw guys. So, nandito kami sa labas na para hintayin namin kasi i-deliver na pala nila yung mga motor guys. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa Whitebird. Umorder kami guys ng mga waffles, toast, at saka rice meal nila. So, kain na tayo guys.
Charap.
Good afternoon. So now, time check guys, it's 1 p.m. Pinayagan na kami mag-early check-in. And this is our room guys. Tour ko kayo. Let's go!
Hi guys, so room tour tayo. So we have queen bed, atake, charap. But as a working girly, meron din akong desk. On your left side, 2 bunk bed. Outside, the curtain. Meron kami cabinet. So, meron din siyang wall. Then, meron kami laundry basket, hangers, and then slippers. We have our own kitchen. And then, what's the perfect one? Meron kaming sariling dining area. But, ang pasabog ay, ang laki ng CR! Pwede mag-tumbling! Meron tayo hair dryer, favorite, and of course essentials. Can you hear that? Essentials. Ayan. And then ayan. So good thing meron na kami extra tissue. So may separate wall for the shower. Pasabog, merong heater. Arte talaga.
Hey guys, papunta naman tayo ngayon para magmerienda. Ang pupuntahan namin guys is Halika Ice Cream. Actually, hindi namin siya alam kung saan. Hahanapin na lang namin siya guys sa daan. Time check guys, it's 4 p.m. na. And ito pala yung na-rent namin na motor. Fast siya guys. Ngayon ko pa lang siya ipapakita sa inyo. Kaya, tara na, Jovi. Let's go!
Alright, let's go!
Yuhuu! Let's go! For power. Sana tayo? Bilisan mo! Mag-waits ka na! So, for init ngayon dito, guys. 4 p.m. Sikat pa rin ng araw. 22 minutes? Motor?
I feel like crying, I feel like screaming, I feel like throwing up for no reason. I think I'm growing, I think I'm sinking. I take a hit while I'm going out swinging. It's not just another
yan ba yan, Jok?
Ito lang yung halika dun sa ano, di ba? So,
Kala ko
baka
kayo mismo
naliligaw
daan, no?
kami.
Na maliit lang.
Siguro kay Cloud.
Siya naman, ama naman siguro.
Siya lang yun nasa ano, Google Maps.
Man, nandito na ako sa Pure Gold, pero sa Siargao. Dito na tayo guys sa Sweet Halika Ice Cream. Try natin to kasi famous to dito sa Siargao. Guys, pasok na tayo. Tara na. Mango float na may, parang mango graham siya guys. Pero ice cream. Tapos ang ano, ice cream na may mangga.
Ay, hindi ba dapat yun?
We're here guys at Cloud9. Medyo ano na, medyo padilim na. Medyo malayo din yung bilhan namin ng ice cream guys. And entrance fee nila is 100 pesos each guys. Time check guys, it's 6 PM na. So medyo pa-sunset na or padilim na guys.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
Magandang gabi. Kami ay naglalakad ngayon sa kasagsagan ng General Luna. At kami maghahanap ng makakainan.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love.
Dito kami ngayon guys sa Verde Siargao. Actually, this is a vegan restaurant owned by Nadine Lustre lang naman. So yeah guys, dito na kami magdi-dinner. Let's eat! Order ko is Cajun tacos. Tapos may additional siyang nacho chips or corn chips, guys. Feeling ko tofu to. Pita wrapper. And then tofu. Meron siyang lettuce, onions, and tomatoes. Vegan na vegan. No meat available. This is our dessert, guys. Brownie sundae. Right, Jovi? Yeah. Brownie sundae, guys. Ito yung dessert namin kasi nantok na kami. Let's eat!
Nakakalasin siya in a way na gusto ko yung dark chocolate. Nabigla lang ako.
Parang moist. Moist na.
Naglalakad po sina Shara Lois and Jovi Gregorio sa kahabaan ng General Luna. Saan po kaya sila pupunta na? Jovi! Di ba? Ganda-gandahan. Lois! Isa pa rin to. Ganda-ganda.
Hey guys, so we're back sa aming accommodation, which is the Romantic Beach Villas, and ito yung view niya kapag gabi guys. Sobrang nice and sobrang peaceful lang dito. So we decided na dito na lang kami guys. So we ordered margarita and cocktails sa bar nila. Ito guys yung order namin. Margarita.
Got you a story to tell, said to stop you if I'd already heard it. I knew a couple words and let you go, 'cause I knew you preferred it. sound of you reading your texts. You take off your glasses and pray.
Today is our day to here at Siargao. So, breakfast tayo guys. We're here at the seaside guys. So, dito muna kami chill. Time check guys. It's 9 in the morning. So, low tide ngayon. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys.
Story to tell, said to stop you if I'd already heard it. I knew a couple words and let you go, 'cause I knew you preferred it. And I like the sound of you reading your texts. You take off your glasses and pray. Feels like a crowd of you, theories in practice, and I won't fact check you away. You think we're all his creation, and
Hey guys, good afternoon. We're here at Malipaya Villas guys. So, beachfront pa rin siya. And time check guys, it's 12 noon. Ito na yung mga kasama natin nung isang araw.
Chill.
How's the play?
Parang ito yung masasabi kong the best.
Wow. Pero yung view pa lang, kahit maghapon ka magtulala, no? So, tara guys, pasok na tayo and bibigyan namin kayo ng isang room tour! Let's go!
Ito na yung pinaka-balcony mo. May dispenser, tapos may sink again with hand soap, and then
Trash bins.
trash bin. Ito, hindi to kwarto.
Ano yan?
Siyempre, ito ang ating restroom. Pasok tayo, guys!
Wow!
Meron kang hair dryer. Hands, meron kang sariling vanity mirror. The throne. Ayan.
Throne of storage.
And then, baka dito na lang ako tulala. Pwede na akong tulala dito.
Ang ganda dyan.
So, this is the shower area. So, next is, are you ready?
I am beyond ready.
This is our room. Ano ba yung makikita mo? Obviously, dalawang bed. One thing na gusto ko is meron kang sarili mong socket.
Then, taas may aircon.
Yeah, meron kami.
Split type.
So, this is our mini
Pantry!
area. Ayan. Meron kaming coffee, utensils, tissue, water, and then our mugs, electric kettle, oven, and then mini ref, and then meron din kami mga glass. And then we also have our trash bin inside. Dito, pwede kami makapaglagay ng mga personal na gamit na gusto namin iwan, and more hangers. Or we can hang pa din naman yung mga ibang dala namin. And on this area, entertainment, the TV, and then beachfront view. It's one of the best na dito. Na,
Ang ganda naman.
ayan. So, basically, this is the room tour.
Nabook pala namin to for 8,000 ba job? No, 8,000 plus. 3 days and 2 nights, guys. Good for 3 packs na siya. Actually, very sulit, very underrated pa talaga siya. Sobrang nice pa niya, guys. Let's go! Lunchtime na, guys. So, nandito naman kami sa Corvada. Isa tong karinderya dito sa Siargao, guys. Ang pag-order dito, pipili kayo dun sa menu nila. And then, lalagay nila sa plate. Ang pagbayad nila, guys, i-picture niyo yung plate nyo and then punta kayo sa cashier para magbayad, guys. Order kami ng mga 3 plates with different types of food. May rice, may noodles, and then mga 2 ulam, guys. Ang bill namin ay tumataginting na
440,000.
440,000 pesos. 440, guys. And then yung akin, rice na chili con, tapos may fried calamares na rin. Let's try!
Let's try natin yung fish fillet nila na walang breading. Plain lang talaga siya na fish. Sayo.
Guys, so nandito na kami sa Coconut Plantation Mountain View nila, guys. Actually, dapat dun pa kami sa Tayangban Cave Pool nila. Kaso guys, tingnan nyo naman yung buhos ng ulan dun banda. Dun pa kami dapat dumiretso, guys. Kaso nagstay na lang muna kami dito kasi parang pa ganyan yung ulan eh. So dito muna kami, guys, magpapalipas ng oras siguro or magpapabagsak ng ulan. And then kapag okay na yung panahon, punta na kami dun.
The secrets we tell each other, they come out one at a time as they fall on deaf ears at quiet times alone, while we rehearse them in the mirror, waiting for the time to be right. When we know the strength inside will match the strength we show, but it's hard enough to face the face who's always staring back. But there's nothing to be ashamed of.
Welcome to Danang, Vietnam. Guys, sa Maasin River. Doon ay inunan namin. Bayad kami, guys, ng 30 pesos each. And then, for the boat ride, 600 pesos. Good for 3 packs na yun, guys. Uy, kuya! Ayan. Jeez, tapos pwede pala tumalon dito. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. Optional.
If you go, go slow, 'cause there's some things I've never told you. Why, I don't know. I guess I've never been as bold as you. You put a little beat in my heart and a little light in my dark. And now it's my turn, but where do I start? You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus, got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it, and you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth, gotta take it all in, I'm in awe of you. Girl, I can't stop listening, no, I'll never get enough, won't you play it again? Well, maybe it don't show, but I'm on pins and needles for you. And girl, you ought to know.
We're back at General Luna, guys. Time check, it's 6 p.m. Magme-merienda muna kami dito, guys, sa Boom Brew. And nag-order din kami dito sa Cumin ng fries. So, itong Boom Brew, guys, ito yung sikat na strawberry matcha. Along the highway lang din siya. For 250 pesos, guys, yung strawberry matcha nila. So, we ordered 2 and then 1 sea salt na din para matry din namin yung iba nilang in-offer, guys. So, yeah.
Hello po, nagbabalik na naman po ang mga ganda-gandahan. Amoy damo. Sorry. Ang mga matcha haters ay nandito na.
Lasang-lasa yung pagka-strawberry.
Baka naman kasi sa babae. Baka naman kasi sa babae niya, guys. Kasi guys, 'di ba? Kung yung dun sa lower part yung zinip niya. Strawberry talaga yung malalasahan niya. Ako, honest review. Shake ko muna. Okay. For me, siguro kung i-rate ko to, 8 out of 10. So, yung pagkamatcha niya is medyo, may part na nasasapawan siya ng strawberry, which is might be understood. All in all, it's good naman, guys. It's delicious. It's still a must na i-try.
Oh guys, as someone na hindi naman fan talaga ng matcha, damo pa rin siya para sa akin.
Kain pa rin tayo guys. Dito naman kami sa Bebes Barbecue. Order lang kami guys ng mga isaw. Ang isaw nila, malinis. Hey guys, good morning. So today is our day 3 here at Sugar guys. So today, mag-island tour lang kami. Joiners kami guys, nabuk namin to. On Facebook, ang pangalan niya is Wow Siargao guys for 1,299 pesos. 3 island na yun. And then meron na ding boodle fight mamayang lunch guys. So medyo madami din kami, siguro mga around 20 plus guys. Let's go! First stop namin guys, dito kami sa Guyam Island. Medyo low tide and mabilis lang din yung biyahe. Sabi nila mga 20 to 25 minutes pero parang wala naman. Mga ano lang guys, mga 15 minutes. Fake news lang siguro.
I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. Hold my hands out for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running.
So, dito na kami guys sa next stop namin. Ito yung secret island nila guys. Secret, hindi mo na malalaman na island pala. So, dito ang pwede mong gawin is mag-swimming lang na mag-swimming guys. Dito na kami guys sa third island namin which is the Naked Island. Naked siya dahil wala talagang puno guys. White sand. Pero marami lang mga bato-bato kaya mag-ingat lang sa mga bato-bato.
How many burgers and fries did we eat on takeaway nights? How many miles did we burn just to see a little of the world? How many times did we say we'll forever be this way? How many days did we spend wishing we would never have to end?
Lunchtime na ay nandito na kami sa Daku Island guys. Ito na yung last stop namin. Dito na kami magla-lunch guys. Ang lunch daw namin is buffet siya. And medyo mainit guys. Kaya tara na, kain na tayo. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. So, marami din naman yung isang table ng food nila. And sobrang sulit na din para sa 1,299, no? At yung dessert namin dito kasala sa package. This is avocado shake and sa'yo, ano ba?
Mango shake.
Mango
Very
shake.
fresh. Hindi siya matamis.
So, dito lang kami magstay hanggang mamayang bago kami umalis, guys. Mga 1:45 PM, guys.
Sabi ni Kuya, pag daw island tour, hanggang lang talaga sila, mga 2. So, mas maaga daw natatapos yung mga island tour compare sa mga land tour. Baka daw 2:30 or before 3 nasa nasa port. So, may mas madami pa tayong magawa.
Okay. Hey guys, so merienda naman tayo dito sa Katangnan Bridge. Ito yung tinatawag din nilang Afam Bridge, guys, dahil marami daw Afam dito. So, tara, kain tayo, guys.
Life is gonna be great. Can't you see?
ate?
Ang tawag sa amin, Salvaro. In English, cassava chips.
Ah, Salvaro.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I've shaken off the weight. I don't need it. I'm free and clear without any fear.
Eat na tayo guys. Dinner na kami. Dito kami ngayon sa Sev Kinilaw guys. From the name itself, ang sinaserve nila ay mostly kinilaw. Subukan na natin.
I slice it from here para lahat makukuha. Ganito ka makukuha.
Okay.
Parang lahat ng composition. Present.
This one.
Tapos lahat present ha. Ito.
This one. Harap. Isipin ko.
So, ito naman yung classic.
Ito siya.
Lahat. Ayan.
With rice.
Oo. Pero okay lang kahit wala. Ay, meron dito? Pati ito? Bakit diba?
Hey guys, good morning. So today is our day 4. And today guys, nandito kami sa mga nagpaparent ng mga sasakyan. Today kasi babalik na namin yung mga motor namin. So we decided na mag-rent kami ng jeepney guys. So nakuha namin yung jeepney for 4,000 pesos. Good for 24 hours na siya. And ayan siya. I-drive na ni Zoe para kasi pag dinrap namin yung mga motor namin guys, isasakay kami ni Zoe. Let's go guys! Let's go!
Nothing has been the same, yeah, ever since you arrived. Coming into my orbit, be my satellite. But how do I pull you closer when you're in outer space? Want you to crash into me. Just want your love, your love, your love. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love. Ooh, baby, what's the point in being alone? I wish you were my satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, said you like me too, but you won't. That body's killer, satellite.
Today guys, dito kami magbe-breakfast ngayon sa Shaka. Located to malapit sa Cloud9 guys. Kasi sa likod namin, makikita na namin yung boardwalk ng Cloud9. So we ordered guys, avocado. And then nag-order sila ng mga smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls guys. Then, ano sa'yo job? Coffee guys at saka banana bread. Tara, breakfast tayo. We're back, guys. Nakasakay na kami sa aming jeepney for a day. For a day lang. Ito yung nirentahan namin jeepney, guys. This is a 3-door and for 4,000 pesos siya. And ang aming passenger at ako ang princess. Si Jovi ang driver.
I was the age of 8 when I played the tape and I heard a voice come through. It was singing loud and singing strong to the words I barely knew. I was hanging on to the edge of the song, waking up all my senses. I'm untied, I'm singing along for the first time.
Lunchtime and nandito kami ngayon sa Howle Restaurant. Medyo malayo to guys sa center ng General Luna. And nag-order kami ng mga baked scallops, crispy sisig at saka yung garlic chicken nila. Yun lahat yung best sellers nila guys. So in-order namin yung tatlong yun. So, tara, kain tayo. Hey guys, so after namin mag-lunch, nandito kami ngayon sa Magpupungko Tidal Pool. Actually guys, high tide na. Hindi na daw pwedeng magpunta pa dun sa pool. Kaso nakiusap kami guys na kahit mag-picture-picture or tingnan lang namin para masilip natin siya guys. So pinayagan naman kami, kaya tara, silipin natin. Nandito na tayo guys. May konting trekking lang. Ayun na po si Joey. Meron na siyang nakuha guys na tour guide. Actually parang hindi na tour guide yung relationship nila. So sana siya guys dito dito sa part na to. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa Little Hawaii. Nag-stop lang kami dito dahil madadaanan siya guys if papunta kayo ng Pacifico. So isa lang siyang pa-curve na daan guys, and then may overlooking siya. Danger zone to, bawal mag-park guys dito sa side ng daan kasi sobrang tarik niya and sobrang pa-curve niya guys. So kami dito magdo-drone lang and magpi-picture-picture lang, mabilis lang to guys. So after namin guys dun sa Little Hawaii, dumaan na din kami dito sa coconut plantation view nila guys. Actually marami na din coconut pero this one is mas marami silang coconut. So tingnan natin view guys. Tara.
If you go slow, cause there's some things I've never told you. Why, I don't know. I guess I've never been as bold as you. You put a little beat in my heart and a little light in my dark. And now it's my turn, but where do I start? You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus, got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it, and you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth, gotta take it all in, I'm in awe of you. Girl, I can't stop listening, no, I'll never get enough, won't you play it again? Well, maybe it don't show, but I'm on pins and needles for you. And girl, you ought to know, no one makes my jaw hit the floor like you do.
Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa Pacifico. Entrance fee is 20 pesos dun sa DNR, tapos private property 20 pesos din guys. If magsasurf kayo, 600 pesos each.
Diba, may request na lang natin ma'am yung kinyo. Yung tamang-tamang na po. Ayan. Tastasan mo lang yung step mo lang na.
I had this dream that we jump in the car, we flip a coin or we follow the brightest star. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, and I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns when we're together. There are no wrong turns.
You'll miss the exit and I'll just laugh. You'll drive slow and I'll keep talking fast, faster than your ears can
guys, tapos na kami mag-surf eh. Joby, how's the surf?
Pagod! Pero, masaya. Enjoy, guys.
1 hour din yon, sobrang nakakapagod guys. Sakit sa mataan sa ilong. Sinipon ako bigla. Pabalik na kami guys sa aming accommodation para maligo and mag-freshen up dahil magdi-dinner kami and magpa-party-party kami ulit later guys. So, kita-kits tayo later! Guys, so today is our last day. And nandito kami ngayon sa gas station kasi guys, ibabalik na din namin itong car. Okay na kuya. Salamat. So tapos na kami magpagas guys, pabalik na kami sa Starbucks dahil doon kami magbe-breakfast. Quick breakfast lang guys dahil ang flight namin will be 10 in the morning. Time check guys, it's 7:30 na. So pagka-drop namin dito sa sasakyan guys, pipick upin naman kami ng airport transfer namin. So mabilis lang to. And dito ko na pala i-end ang vlog na to guys. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next vlog guys. Bye-bye!
Even when the river stops, even when it all looks different.